Ever wondered how investigators track down anyone online? Today, we're revealing the top Osint tools that can help you find anyone. Tools so powerful, it's wild they're public. This is your only warning. Use these ethically and legally. Let's dive in. First up is Sherlock, a bloodhound for usernames, and one of the most popular tools in the Osint community for tracking digital identities. Just give Sherlock a username, and it instantly scans through hundreds of social platforms, forums, and websites in a matter of seconds, searching for matches. No more tedious checking of sites one by one. Sherlock does all the heavy lifting for you, gathering results from across the web almost instantly. Each successful hit is a direct link to a profile, making it easy to map out someone's entire digital footprint and see where their online presence overlaps. Investigators rely on Sherlock to connect aliases across platforms, whether personal, professional, or even hidden accounts that might otherwise go unnoticed. It's also a powerful tool for brand protection. Quickly check if your brand's name is taken, impersonated, or misused anywhere online. Sherlock is completely open source and free to use, but you'll need some basic command line skills to get started and make the most of its features. It automates what would be hours of manual searching into just a minute or two, saving you valuable time and effort. For anyone serious about online investigations, Sherlock is a must-have addition to your Osint toolkit. Efficient, reliable, and incredibly effective. If Sherlock is a bloodhound, SpiderFoot is a whole pack. Feed it a name, email, IP, or domain, and it spiders out, finding everything connected. It runs hundreds of modules, emails, subdomains, breaches, and more, building a web of data. Each new find triggers more searches, revealing hidden connections. Used by cybersecurity pros and law enforcement, it uncovers servers, cloud accounts, and vulnerabilities. There's a free version, but SpiderFoot HX adds even more power. It's automation at its finest, turning a single clue into a full investigation. Essential for mapping digital footprints. Maltego is the tool you see in movies, turning raw data into interactive maps of connections. But in reality, it's even more powerful, giving you the ability to uncover hidden relationships and patterns that would otherwise remain invisible. Just dump in names, emails, or domains, and with a few clicks, run transforms to uncover social profiles, friends, and hidden links. Maltego automates the process, saving hours of manual research and instantly revealing connections between people, organizations, and digital assets. Start with a company domain, and Maltego can find DNS servers, then show you what else is hosted there, instantly mapping out entire networks. You can trace infrastructure, spot vulnerabilities, and see how different entities are linked together. Maltego makes complex data visual and understandable, transforming overwhelming information into clear, interactive graphs that anyone can explore. It's the gold standard for investigators, journalists, and researchers who need to make sense of massive amounts of data quickly and accurately. Visualize criminal networks, corporate structures, or disinformation flows with ease. Maltego helps you see the big picture and the smallest details all at once. It integrates with dozens of data sources, including other tools featured here, letting you pull in information from across the web and combine it in one place for deeper analysis. It's not just about finding data, it's about seeing the story it tells, uncovering patterns and relationships that can change the course of an investigation. Maltego changes how you see information, turning chaos into clarity and helping you make smarter decisions. For any serious investigation, Maltego is a true game changer, empowering you to uncover the truth hidden within the data. Need to know what's happening on social media right now? Social Searcher is your real-time feed. Enter a keyword or hashtag, and it pulls posts from Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and more, instantly. Filter by network, sentiment, or post type. See top posters, trending hashtags, and timelines of mentions. Set up alerts for instant notifications. Perfect for tracking events, monitoring targets, or analyzing public sentiment. It's a live pulse on the social internet. Surface web searches only go so far. Pipl digs deeper. Enter a name, email, phone, or username, and it scours databases, public records, and the deep web. It connects fragments, emails, addresses, associates into a single, accurate profile. Used by fraud prevention and investigators, it reveals details that would take weeks to find manually. Pipl is a premium service, but it shows just how much of your info is out there. It's a reminder, your digital footprint goes far beyond Google. Know what's accessible about you. Have you ever wondered what the internet looked like last year or even a decade ago? Or maybe you're curious about what sensitive information was exposed in a recent data breach? Intelligence X is your answer, a powerful tool designed for digital investigators, journalists, and anyone interested in uncovering the hidden layers of the web. It searches through historical web snapshots and massive leaked datasets including emails, domains, IP addresses, and much more, making it easy to track down information that's no longer available on the surface web. With Intelligence X, you can quickly find out if a company or individual appeared in a breach, or even recover deleted web content that you thought was lost forever. This tool is essential for tracking down lost digital evidence, monitoring how websites evolve over time, and piecing together the story behind online changes. Intelligence X offers a freemium model. Some searches are free, while advanced features and deeper access require a paid subscription, making it accessible for both casual users and professionals. Remember, once something's uploaded to the internet, it rarely disappears completely. Digital footprints can last for years, sometimes even decades. Intelligence X is your window into the internet's past and its hidden leaks, helping you uncover secrets and protect your digital presence. For the technically inclined, Recon-ng is your Osint workshop. It's a modular command line framework. Add modules for tasks like subdomain discovery, geolocation, or breach checks. Create a workspace, add seed info, and chain modules to map out digital infrastructure step by step. Organize and repeat investigations with precision. Integrates with tools like Shodan and HaveIBeenPwned. Open source and free, but requires command line and API know-how. It's a central command console for deep investigations, indispensable for cybersecurity pros. HaveIBeenPwned is a must for everyone. Check if your email or phone was in a data breach. Enter your info, and it lists breaches and what data was exposed. If you see your info, change your passwords immediately. Hackers use breach data for attacks. Don't reuse passwords. Sign up for breach notifications. It's free, easy, and vital for your security. Protect yourself before investigating others. Need a professional email? Hunter.io finds emails linked to any company domain in seconds. Enter a domain, get a list of emails and sources. Use the email finder to guess a specific person's address based on company patterns. Freemium model, great for quick searches. Perfect for investigators, recruiters, and marketers. Turns a frustrating search into a one-click process. Twitter X is a goldmine, but scraping data is tough unless you use Twint. Twint scrapes tweets, followers, hashtags, and more. No API needed, no limits. Pull all tweets from a user, search by keyword, or filter by location. Save results for analysis or visualization. Anonymous, open source, and powerful, but requires some technical skill. Ideal for journalists and investigators. The secret weapon for deep Twitter dives. BeenVerified is a consumer-friendly people search engine. Enter a name, phone, address, or email, and it aggregates public records into easy reports. Find names, addresses, emails, social profiles, even hidden ones, includes criminal, court, and property records. Subscription-based, so use responsibly and ethically. Shows just how much public info is digitized and searchable. Overwhelmed by tools? Osint Framework is your interactive directory. It's a web-based mind map, categorizing hundreds of Osint resources. Click a topic, like username, and see all the best tools for that job. Saves hours of searching for the right tool. Constantly updated, free, and perfect for beginners or pros. Start here to plan your investigation. It's the ultimate Osint cheat sheet. Clearbit enriches small bits of info, like an email or domain, into detailed profiles. Get names, job titles, social links, company size, industry, and tech stack. Used by sales teams, but invaluable for Osint and corporate investigations. Premium API, but free tier available for testing. Instantly understand a company or person from a single clue. Shows how data is packaged in today's digital world. ZabaSearch is a classic free people search engine for US public records. Enter a name and get addresses, ages, and phone numbers. No sign-up needed. Add a state or city to narrow results. Free reverse phone lookup helps ID unknown callers. Prompts for paid upgrades, but basic info is often enough. Fast, no frills, and perfect for quick checks. A solid starting point for basic searches. Namechk is a fast visual username checker. Type a name and see where it's taken across 90+ platforms and domains. Instantly spot a person's or brand's main online presence. Reveals platforms you might not think to check. Also checks domain availability for your username. Free, no setup, and perfect for a quick scan. Great for initial investigations or brand monitoring. The perfect tool to round out our list. You now have the keys to the digital world. 15 powerful Osint tools to find almost anything online. Use them ethically and protect your own privacy. This knowledge is a superpower. Use it responsibly. Like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into tech and security. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.